Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you all. We're diving into Deepseek Prover V2, a powerful new AI tool that is making waves in the world of mathematics and formal theorem proving. So, what is Deepseek Prover V2? It's a free, open-source tool that can solve and explain advanced math problems, the kind you usually see in higher-level math. It uses a programming language called Lean4 to do this. But here's the cool part. Deepseek Prover V2 didn't learn the usual way. Instead of just looking at examples, it learned by breaking big math problems into smaller steps with help from another AI called Deepseek V3. This helped the model learn from scratch, which is called cold start training. Here's how it works. So, to make our cold start dataset, we set up a pretty simple system to solve theorems. We use Deepseek V3 to break down theorems into smaller steps and turn them into Lean4 code. It's like having a tool that can both sketch the proof and turn it into something formal at the same time. Then, to actually solve each of those steps, we use a smaller 7B model. This helps keep things light and efficient without using too much power. Once we've got all the steps solved, we take the full proof and pair it with the reasoning Deepseek V3 used to get there. And that's how we get our cold start data. Formal proof with all the thinking behind it. Now, there are some tough problems that the 7B prover model can't fully solve on its own, but it can solve smaller parts of these problems. What happens next is those smaller solutions are pieced together to create a full proof for the original problem. Then, the proof is added to Deepseek V3, which shows how everything connects. Next, the model gets fine-tuned with special data and uses reinforcement learning to improve at turning informal thinking into formal proofs. It gets feedback, like right or wrong, to help it learn. The result? Deepseek Prover V2 671B. This model performs amazingly well, with an 88.9% pass rate on the Mini F2F test and solves 49 out of 658 problems from Putnam Bench. If you're interested, you can download the proofs it created for the Mini F2F dataset in a zip file. And there's more. They've also created Prover Bench, a set of 325 math problems from different areas like algebra, calculus, and number theory. Some of these come from high school math competitions, while others are from textbooks and tutorials. It's a mix of easy and hard problems to test how well the model works. So, can you try it out? Yes. There are two versions of the model, one with 7 billion parameters and another with 671 billion parameters. You can download both from Hugging Face along with the dataset. To use it, just open Router, pick the Deepseek Prover V2 model, and ask it any math question. I tried it myself. I asked simple questions like what is the square root of 25, and it solved them. Then, I asked a harder one. Find the radius of convergence for the power series, sigma n equals 1 to infinity, of x cubed over n factorial, and it solved that too. One last thing, if you want to use Deepseek Prover V2, make sure to check the license. Like most open-source tools, there are some rules you need to follow. And that's it. Deepseek Prover V2 is changing the game by helping AI not just solve math problems, but also prove them in a way we can check and verify. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment with what you want to see next. Maybe a full walkthrough using the model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.